You can't make products that inspire people unless you're inspired.
It is that culture of collaboration, working as a team.
They share a passion for music, for technology.
Everybody knows that we're obsessed with being the best. And so we're really excited to give the Bartók customers the opportunity to experience Bartók APEX.
With Bartók APEX, it was really the natural progression for Bartók DAC and for Bartók headphone DAC to get that APEX upgrade. It's something when we develop a product at dCS, that's always the beginning. And we like to take customers on a journey where we improve the performance of the product all the way through its life.
Upgradability has always been a key part of what dCS is about.
It's what we do. And as I say, the platform is explicitly designed to let you improve over time.
That's primarily through software, but can also be through hardware, as the APEX upgrade shows.
Any current dCS product has to be cutting edge. That's all there is to it. We've planned in that upgradability via software updates. We've taken it as far as we can with software. There is an investment you can make to increase the ability of the hardware.
APEX was one that Chris put a lot of thinking into and went through several rounds of prototypes, and something special came out of it.
The APEX project really started something completely different.
He thought he had an angle or a direction that he wanted to go on.
I started looking at our existing circuitry, trying to figure out where the performance limitations were.
He came to us with a prototype APEX board that was measuring better than the current board, and asked us to listen.
And yeah, at that point I realised that the vast majority of the improvements which I'd identified could be applied onto our existing hardware platform.
I think really he went after kind of neutrality, or linearity was his, what he was really chasing, and he got huge improvements there. But I think musically that was what it's resulted in is just unbelievable.
Even I was surprised at the effect it had on the listening experience and how much benefit it has given the listener.
It's more natural, it's more musical, it's more lifelike, and I think people just connect with the music.
APEX really builds on our existing stance of neutrality, transparency, and takes it further.
I think Bartók APEX is massively important. It brings everything that's special about dCS in one chassis.
So I'm really excited that we're now making this available in the Bartók APEX so that people with that product range can enjoy the benefit as well.
It's exactly what we'd hoped for and what we're hearing with Vivaldi and Rossini.
It really is the next step in our evolution of all our product ranges, and I can't wait for people to hear it.